Hi. Okay, just got a stretch over here. It's Sunday morning. That stretch was pretty good. I think that was probably the first time I hit a 70. I hadn't crossed that mark of 60. I think yesterday I did a 60. I'm just trying to keep it very low. I don't want to exceed the RPM range, like I said. Just start with the signal. The kids looking. Those cute little innocent smiles when they look at the bike and the sound. Hi. I really wanted to capture that moment. I hope it was seen. The joy of looking at such flashy, good looking, amazing sound. I mean, such bikes really put a smile on anyone's face, for that matter. Someone who is an enthusiast, who is not an enthusiast, might become an enthusiast. They might start liking bikes all of a sudden. So it's all about that one time when you've seen in your childhood. It all begins somewhere, that spark, because it did. It was something similar for me as well. So I have a feeling that the exhaust is sounding much better. We've ridden almost 62 kilometers. So I think today, while I was going itself, the exhaust sounded so much different. And during the engine braking, I think the stock exhaust itself sounds very good. Its performance is just top notch, I'd say. Whoa, man, the acceleration is unreal. I must say, the bike's performance is just on another level, man. I really don't have words to express how I'm feeling right now. I'll try and show you how the downshift sounds. I really feel the engine braking sounds so good on the stock. I love it. I love it. I love every bit of this bike. Its performance is amazing. You can see the radiator icon blinking. So it's at 102 degrees Celsius, which is why the radiator is on. And what I observed is that when you hit slightly average speed, about like around 40s 50s, and you try to cruise along the same lines for about a minute or two, it cools very fast. It cools real fast. But if you're trying to just ride through the city in the traffic, that is when I've always felt that the heat keeps increasing. It doesn't decrease immediately, but of course it does decrease after some time. Also, I get a lot of people asking about what gears I'm going to pick. So yes, I do have plans of buying them. So first preference would be to buy the riding gloves. I'm thinking of a full gauntlet style, of course, and riding boots. I'm not leaning towards the long boots for now. I'll probably buy the I'll probably go with the mid-rise kind of boots, riding boots, and then I'll go with the jacket. I'm not going to hit the highways until I get my riding gear on. So this is going to be cruising through the city. Do comment down and let me know if you have bought any of the riding gears, any brands that you are fond of, you like the feel, and they do the job well. Let me know. I was actually leaning towards Alpine Stars or Dainies. Oh my god, can you guys hear that? I'm not sure if you can. The engine braking, whoa, monstrous. And everyone wants to honk when I'm trying to show something. So I was telling you guys about the riding gear. I haven't decided a company yet. I'm not sure which store has my size. I haven't visited any specifically. I was looking for the Dainies or Alpine Stars, but I'm not sure yet. So I'm a 6'1", and my height for this bike is pretty good, I guess. I mean, it might be slightly more than the average rider height for this particular model, but I feel pretty comfortable riding it. If you tuck in and hug the tank, I think it's very good. The more weight you put on your wrists and shoulders, that is when it's going to hurt. But I think your thighs and leg position really change the game. And coming to my feet size, so for the riding boots, since I haven't decided yet, I also need to see which brand offers a UK 12 or 13, because that is the size I wear, and I'm not sure if neither of the brands have it, like the Alpine Star or Dainies, or if there are any other good brands that have nice riding boots. Comment down below. Let me know if you're aware of any store or any site where I can check them out, which do have such large sizes. And for the riding gloves, again, like I said, I'm looking for the gauntlet style, full gauntlet. And again, I think I'm an XL. I haven't measured the area around my knuckles. I think that is how you measure for riding gloves. So I think I'm an XL. So any brand that would offer that size, I think I'll be pretty much happy to go with it, with good quality, good fit. So let me know guys, let me know which one I should go with.